Hello everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and I'm coming to you with a video on email processing and some proof. I know I haven't made a video on proof in a while, guys, because most of you out there already know that I make tons of cash and I bless everyone every day of my life. But I have a lot of new people out there, looking to start marketing, and they're asking to see some new proof videos. So what I'm going to show you is just my proof of what I've made in the last 24 hours. I'm not going to take up much of your time. I'm just going to go through it real quick. I don't have the whole screen showing, and one of the reasons is I don't like to show people's name who joins the team. It's a privacy matter, and that's just the way I like to work my program. So anyways, guys, here we go. Here goes. And of course you're going to see some payments that are a little different because it's just according where the advertisement's coming from. I offer discounts in different ways in different places. So here we go. In the last 24 hours, as you can see, here goes the date from the 10th to the 11th. There goes a $30 payment, a $75 payment, $25, $100, $200, $400. That's already over $500. Here goes another $200, a $50, $125, $150, $50, $200. Guys, it's incredible what I make in this program and what I can help you make in this program. I have even more testimonials, even more proof videos of what I can do for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to change your life, and if you're ready for that life change, especially if you're ready to be financially free, then why are you even still watching this video? And just to show you that I am in my PayPal account, I'm just going to go ahead and log out for you here. And bam, there you go, guys. I'm going to move around, show you that I'm in PayPal here. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't play games. They call me the Prodigy for a reason. I've been my own boss since 17. I'm 26 years old now, and I've changed thousands of lives. Let me change yours today. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Out there, have a very blessed night, and until next time.